Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time. The lessons we're going to cover today are time patterns, read a calendar, match analog and digital clocks, and then AM or PM. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Okay, here I'm on the grade 3 math. The chapter we are on right now is time. Let's just start with the lesson that is time patterns. Fill in the missing time. 1, the missing number, 5, 7, and 9. So you have to look for a pattern first. How the time is increasing? 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Time, right? 1 plus 2 is 3. That means the missing time is 3. Got it? Okay, just look at the other example. They are 1, 12, 30, 12, the missing number, and 11. So which is the correct option? The time is decreasing. The time is decreasing by 30 minutes, right? You have 1, then minus 30 minutes make 12:30. Then again minus 12, 30 minutes make 12. Again you have to subtract 30 minutes, so you end up on 11:30. Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing time, 7, 5:34. So which is the correct option? The time is decreasing. So which is the correct option? The correct option is The time is decreasing by 1 hour and 30 minutes, right? Because from 7 to 5:30, that is 1 hour 30 minutes. Then 5:30 to 4, the time is decreasing by 1 hour 30 minute, right? So from 4 minus 1 hour 30 minutes is 2:30. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is fill in the missing time. So which is the missing time? Option number 1 is the correct option. 8 it is. Very good. Fill in the missing time. So which is the correct option? That is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Fill in the missing time, which is the correct option. The correct option is 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number 1, 11:30. So the next one is the time is decreasing by 1:30. Very good. The next one is option number 1, that is 10. Fill in the missing time. So which is the next one? Option number 2 is the correct option. 12 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is that is read a calendar. Let's just start with the lesson. So now we're going to learn how do we read a calendar. Today is January 22. What day of the week was yesterday? First thing is you need to learn how to read a calendar. So the very first thing, the very first line here, that is the name of the month. The second line is name of days. Now you have a number dates right below the Sunday, the dates right below the Monday, the dates right below the Tuesday, same way Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So Sundays will be on 4th, 11th, 18th, and 25, right? The dates all below the Sunday are the dates that are on the Sunday, right? Same way Mondays are on 5, 12, 19, and 26. So that's how you read the calendar. The question is today is January 22. Here it is. What was the day? What day was of the week was yesterday? Yesterday is the day before 22. So before 22 that is 21, and on 21st January that is Wednesday. Got it? Wednesday it is. Let's just start with the test questions. Today is April 23rd. What day of the week was yesterday? So, which is the correct option? April 23rd. Here is April 23rd, right? Yes, on 22nd, that is Thursday. The correct option is option number 1. Thursday it is. On what day of the week does the month begin? So, which is the correct option? That is the month start on the first, and you have to see what day of the week does the month begin. So, the day is Friday. Option number 2 is the correct option. Today is March 23. What day of the week was the day before yesterday? Day before yesterday. So, yesterday it is 22nd, and before that is Thursday. Option number one is the correct option. On what day of the week is 19th of the month? 19th is on Friday. Option number two is the correct option. What month does the calendar show? Which is the correct option? The very first line tells you the month, so that is February. Option number two is the correct option. February it is right. Option number two is the correct option. How many days are there in June? So, which is the correct option? There are 30 days in June. The correct option is 30. How many Sundays are there in May? So, which is the correct option? You need to count the Sundays in May, right? So, there are one, two, three, four. Right below the Sunday, you have four dates. So, that means the Sunday, there are four Sundays in May. On what day of the week is August 24? The August 24 is on Sunday. Option number one is the correct option. Sunday it is. On what day of the week does the month and which is the correct option? On what day of the week does the month and Friday it is? Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move to next lesson. The next lesson is match analog and digital clocks. Okay, use the workbook. Then last lesson of the chapter is AM or PM. Gray is eating an apple for a morning snack. What time is it? So basically, first thing you need to learn is AM and PM. You can see here that's a midnight. From midnight 12 to noon 12, that is the AM timing, right? And from 12 noon to 12 midnight, that is PM. So he is eating an apple in the morning, right? So the morning is before 12 noon, so that would be an AM. The correct option is AM. Let's just start with the test questions. Warren's mom is reading before work one morning. What time is it? Before work, so that would be 5:30 a.m., right? The correct option is option number 1, that is 5:30 a.m. Option number 1 is the correct option. It is time for an afternoon nap. What time is it? Afternoon nap. So that would be afternoon. It is 2 p.m. The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. Tara is taking an afternoon nap. What time is it? Which is the correct option? That is 3 p.m. Option number 2 is the correct option. Cody is getting out of bed in the morning. What time is it? That is 6 a.m. Option number 1 is the correct option. Sorry. Wondra is riding her bike in this evening. What time is it? Which is the correct option? In the evening, so that would be 6:30 p.m. Option number 2 is the correct option. Simon is watering the plants one morning. What time is it? The correct option is morning it is, so that is 9:30 a.m. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Nina is putting her baby down for an afternoon nap. What time is it? Which is the correct option? Afternoon nap. So that is 1:30 p.m. Option number 2 is the correct option. Ella is sitting by the window one evening. What time is it? The correct option is one evening. That is 7:30 p.m. Option number 2 is the correct option. Rita is going to work in the evening. What time is it? Which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 9 a.m. Option number 1 is the correct option. Gary is eating an apple for a morning snack. What time is it? Which is the correct option? The correct option is morning snack it is. So which is the correct option? That is 10 a.m. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So if you have any questions from the chapter, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So we were working on the chapter time. The lessons we have covered from the chapter are time patterns, read a calendar, AM or PM. So if you have any questions from the lessons we have just covered, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.